Hey guys, this is a Chevy 2020. So we're doing the pull it out on the back glass, but this is the reverse technique. Remember, you're gonna do 3 or 2 loops around, and after that, facing that way, you're gonna start making the cut over here, and now you're gonna turn to the right, and we're gonna just finish the cut doing the reverse technique. Remember, it's gonna make like a little triangle or square going to the right, okay? And one piece is possible in sliding, and it's difficult because you have a tracks on your way. You see, you don't have to move this guy. It's gonna stay right there, but the line is moving forward to the right. Let me make sure this wire, I don't catch this wire. I call it a triangle of death because nothing can stop this triangle. And you see, my orange in the same position, don't slide in or move. That line is going all the way there. All right, now here, I gotta make sure, remember the clip, because these 2 lines will be snapped the clip easy. You see that? Now you're gonna watch out that part. There you go. And that's all. Okay, and that's called it the reverse technique. I invented this technique because sometimes you don't want to move these guys 3 times or 4 times. You can only move 1 time. Was like this. Let me show you how. So when I start making the cut, I just position this guy right here. So you go through the corner, make a double or triple loop around, and you start cutting. And when you have parallel for the orange part like this, you're gonna change position on this position and go all the way forward to the front, and you finish the cut. Okay guys, thank you so much, and see you next time.